Hey y'all, I'm back at it again, coming to you with another wig. So this one is a wig from Yiroo Wigs. This is my second one. As you can see, it's a curly wig. Comes with a wig cap, some eyelashes. I have so many eyelashes at this point. And this is how the box is. This is how the wig comes out. It has a part already made for you. I did go in and I plucked the part with my hands. I don't have a tweezer at the moment. The wig comes with 3 combs in the inside. This is more like a jerry curl or a kinky curly, so you have to definitely know what to do or what you're doing when dealing with this hair. It's not much parting space on this wig like the last one, but yeah, still enough to part. So right here, you're gonna see me putting on the wig cap and the wig. Self-explanatory. I'll come back again when I need to start talking. So I did have a look at mine. As you guys see on the thumbnail, I decided to put bangs in this wig because I always wanted to do that and see how it looked. I'm gonna put a picture next to me so you guys can see the look I'm basically gonna be going for. And yeah, so I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna part this and everything like that, since this is synthetic and the wig is curly. So I don't want to mess with the curls too much to the point where it starts to get frizzy. So starting out, you have to make sure that you do not have your tracks showing. And once you section out your part, just start cutting. Cut towards the bottom first. Don't cut a big chunk out to where you think it's at. And when you're cutting curly hair, do not stretch the hair, because once it bounces back up, it'll be way too short of what you really wanted it to be. So definitely do not stretch the hair when you're cutting. So definitely go slow with this. And the wig is really your preference. You're gonna see me doing a lot of cutting, a lot of trimming, because with bangs it's always definitely hard to get the right look, especially with curly bangs. It's the first time I've ever did this, so please bear with me. I know they look a little crazy right now, but I'm gonna get it together towards the end. So I just keep cutting and trimming and going at it, and you do the same. So off camera, I actually went and I wet the whole wig basically, and I put some conditioner and I put a little bit of gel just to tame it down a little bit, because I'm trying to lay down the actual bang part. That part is sticking up and I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do before I start to put heat on it. So I'm just gonna put my scarf over it. Definitely put it a little bit tighter than what I did. I'm going back in and trimming some more because I need to see, obviously. So yeah, just do it until you're satisfied with it, basically. So just keep on trimming and trimming. And this wig dries really fast. I put water all over it and it literally dried so quickly. So this wig is definitely giving me straight up summer vibes as I sit here and it's rainy outside and we're in quarantine. but we can only dream and hope, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. This is where I kind of messed up at because I wanted to just stretch out the hair basically, especially the wig part. So definitely always test the flat iron or the curling iron or whatever you're gonna be using on the wig to make sure it doesn't burn. I had this on 10. The wig can take heat up to 350. I found that it could take up, yeah, to 350, 300. So that's not burning. The wig is still wet a little bit from me putting it in the water. So that's the steam that you see coming off of there. The hair is not burning or nothing like that. I'm careful. I know what I'm doing. But yeah, so I'm trying to just flatten out the wig. I should just use the back of the comb, but you know, this is a learning experience for everybody. I'm gonna put my scarf over my bang again just to try to lay it down, as you guys can see, and let's see how that goes. So as you guys can see, I pulled out the spritz, but I don't advise to use this on this type of hair because it did make it a tiny bit sticky. I didn't put that much on, but I would say use like a gel or something water-based, conditioner and water. Nothing too much that this hair needs. All right, anyways, as you see me going through it with this wig, yeah, I'm gonna put the picture up behind me, well, next to me, of what I was going for. So I just wanted to do some bangs with this curly hair because I never really had bangs with curly hair. Yeah, as you see, I tried to use the actual hot comb, and the main thing you have to do with this hair is to make sure that it doesn't look that bad, honestly. Just to make sure that you don't let the tracks show. So hopefully my tracks are not showing. If they are, I can finesse those or whatever. But yeah, yeah, just keep your scarf on basically for about 30 minutes after you do this, and your hair should be down. But make sure you can see, because you just have to pick out, you have to really go through and find the look that you're looking for. Let me cut this out actually. Yeah, just to make it look the way that you want it to look. So yeah, that was me attempting to do the look with the bangs. But I do like the length. I know the bangs look a little crazy right now, but if you lay them down with your scarf, they won't be looking crazy. But yeah, I really wanted to go for a you know, that curly hair with the bangs look, but definitely have to cut these a little bit more because I cannot see anything. So we're gonna just cut across. See my eyeball now? But you do want like little cute pieces in the front, just so it can complete the look. Bangs is something that you really have to take your time with, because especially on curly hair, because if you make a mistake, you can't go back on a wig or your hair. So just keep that in mind. But you guys know the look that I was trying to go for with this hair. This is a lot of hair. I actually did wet this hair, as you heard in the voiceover. Yeah, wet this hair, put conditioner in it. It definitely gives you like summer vibes, but it's just that my bang doesn't want to cooperate with me. And this piece of hair right here that I straightened too much. But yeah, you gotta finesse. You have to finesse, like, you know? But like I said, if you laid your bangs down, it will look just like this, basically. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what I could do different next time. I'm really trying with these wigs. I'm definitely a beginner, as you can see, but for the most part, I like the color. The hair is very soft as usual, and I feel like a hippie every time I put my scarf on. I feel like a hippie. But yeah, it's like I said, comment down below, let me know what I could do differently, especially with the bangs and things like that. What would you have done differently? Because I feel like the other way I didn't like how it looked with just the part, and you have to be comfortable with, like, you know, curly hair. Like, this is a lot of hair on this wig for sure. I'm telling you that for a fact. I was not gonna straighten this hair for the simple fact that it would have took me literally forever, and I did want to keep the curls in the wig. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.